In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Relevance AI 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have a simple tool and a working agent that can summarize text into clean bullet points, and you'll know how to test the whole flow. First, head to the Relevance AI marketplace in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your work is saved to your workspace. Once you're in, look for the option to create your first tool. You'll see a button labeled Create Tool. Click it to start a new build. You'll be presented with templates. Choose the default option to get a ready-to-edit starting point. Next, select the LLM tool, which is the most beginner-friendly path. This uses a large language model to process your instructions without extra setup. Now it's time to write a clear prompt. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented. For our example, tell the tool exactly what to do. Summarize the provided text into clear bullet points. If you want consistent results, mention any formatting constraints, such as keeping points concise and avoiding repetition. Add a quick test input in the preview area and run it. If the output isn't crisp enough, tighten the wording in your prompt and try again. When you're happy, save the tool and give it a recognizable name so you can find it later. With your tool ready, create your first agent. Navigate to the Agents section from the sidebar. Click New Agent to open a fresh build. Pick the default template to get standard fields and a sensible setup. In the instructions area, give the agent a short description that explains its job, audience, and expected input and output. For example, describe that it receives a block of text and returns a concise set of bullet points. Connect your new tool if prompted, then save your changes. Finally, test the agent end to end. Open the test panel, paste a sample paragraph or two, and send the request. Review the results to ensure you're getting clear, well-structured bullet points. If something looks off, adjust the agent description or the tool prompt, then retest. When the output is consistent, you're ready to use or share the agent within your workspace. For next time, consider iterating on your prompt with real examples, versioning changes so you can roll back, and documenting input and output expectations for teammates. Small tweaks to instructions usually deliver big improvements, so keep testing until the results match your use case.